Hey guys, why YouTube won't install as app? I'm gonna show you how to solve it. So if YouTube won't install as an app on your Windows PC, the problem is usually caused by your browser settings, unsupported browser version, or a temporary cache issues. So open your browser and we need to clear the cache. So once you open your browser, go to the browser settings. So click the three dots and go to settings. Now go to privacy and security. Next, tap on delete browsing data. Select the time frame at the top. So you can select last hour, 24 hours, 7 days, or click more. You can also select all the time, etc. Now in here, make sure you select cookies and other site data and also cache images and files. You can also select browsing history, but that's optional. Now once done, tap on delete data and try to install YouTube again if that works. Next is to enable background apps. So some browsers disable app installation when background apps are turned off. So in Chrome, go to settings. So just click the three dots and scroll down to settings. Now once you're on settings, what you need to do is to go to system at the left side. So look for system. And up here, if you see continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed, so make sure you turn that on. And if you're using Microsoft Edge, so let's open Microsoft Edge. And in here, let's go to the browser settings. So click the three dots and go to settings. Next, at the left side, go to system and performance. Look for startup boost. So in here, at the top, look for startup boost and tap on it. And turn it on or enable it just like so. And try to install YouTube again and see if that works. Now, for the next method is to update your browser. So if you're using Microsoft Edge, just go to settings and go to about Microsoft Edge at the left side and see if you need to update the browser. Now in Chrome, so open Chrome and go to settings. Once you're on settings, go to the bottom and go to about Chrome and check for updates in here and just follow the prompts. So just click on update and it will be updated. And that's basically it. I hope that works. Thank you for watching.